Hey everyone, I hope you're all okay. Welcome back to our YouTube channel and our New Zealand series. For this episode, we're going to be showing you the top 5 best things to do in Queenstown, New Zealand.
Queenstown has been nicknamed the adventure capital of the world, and it's not hard to see why. With so many adrenaline-fueled activities on offer, you'll never be short of options.
But we also found Queenstown to be very peaceful and relaxing. With the backdrop of the mountains, the lake is serene.
So we want to put together our favourite 5 things to do to make the most of your trip to Queenstown.
First up, we have Queenstown Gardens.
When you first get to Queenstown, you'll feel the pull of Lake Wakatipu. It's the most gorgeous spot in Queenstown, and so everyone wants to get the best view.
Whilst everyone piles up around the beach, if you're looking for a slightly more quiet way to enjoy your surroundings, then head towards Queenstown Gardens.
Whilst initially it is busy, if you walk up to the top of the peninsula, you'll find multiple points to stop and take in the beautiful scenery.
This is a little less populated, so you can take your time taking photos or taking it all in. The lake is absolutely gorgeous, so you'll not find it hard to get a good spot.
The botanic gardens themselves are full of rose gardens, exotic or native trees, and a pond. It's right on the edge of the town, so you get to enjoy nature while still being close to all the essentials.
There's lots to do here, including the park, frisbee golf, ice skating and the trail.
It offers a beautiful and tranquil setting away from the hustle and bustle of the town and waterfront.
Next up is the Skyline Luge and Viewpoint.
For those who are looking for a bit of an adventure, the luge is the perfect way to start. This gravity-fueled thrill ride was invented in New Zealand 40 years ago.
It's the perfect activity no matter your age. You may find that you want to have a few runs down, as there are 2 routes and it's such good fun.
There are different package options depending on how many times you want to race down the mountainside track.
Jump into the driver's seat and wind your way through 1,600 metres of tunnels, dips and turns. It's part go-kart and part toboggan.
Once you're at the bottom, jump back on the chairlift to go again. No need to carry up your car, they're transported up the mountain for you.
This is sure to bring out your competitive side.
Then when you've had enough of racing and want the opportunity to take in the gorgeous mountain views without whizzing past, head to the viewpoint.
The viewpoint sits in the main centre on the same level as the chairlift entrance. In the centre you also have a cafe, store and other entertainment.
Wander out through to the back of the centre to find the balcony overlooking Queenstown, Lake Wakatipu and the surrounding mountains.
This is a free viewpoint and has some of the best views in Queenstown. The best part is you can even do it with a cuppa.
Third is eateries on the water.
When you come to Queenstown, one of the highlights is getting to enjoy food or a cuppa by the water. The views are unmatched and the food is no different.
If you're looking for an evening meal out, we loved Public Kitchen and Bar. This is based in Steamer Wharf, which backs onto Lake Wakatipu.
The Wharf is Queenstown's premium lakeside eating, drinking and entertainment destination. It's a vibrant hub with a variety of options.
Public Kitchen and Bar offers an alternative to fine dining and pub fare. You can experience Kiwi classics and grassroots cooking.
If you want to sit out by the lake, then you'll be provided with blankets and heaters to make sure you don't freeze.
2 other options that we tried for a nice cuppa during the day were Pia and Mementos Cafe. Both are situated around the waterfront.
They again offer blankets and heaters to keep you warm so you can enjoy the surroundings. All 3 are lovely options and all 3 are in the heart of Queenstown.
Next up we have Shotover Canyon Swing.
This one is definitely for the adrenaline seekers and daredevils. It's the world's #1 canyon swing since 2002.
With 60 metres of freefall, the canyon swing is the world's highest cliff jump. You'll be transported from the centre of the town to Shotover Canyon in 10 minutes.
Whilst this is an adrenaline-fueled activity, one of its pulls is also Shotover River and Canyon below. You can enjoy the gorgeous views while you swing around.
You even get to decide how you want to fall, whether that be solo or tandem, and not only that, you get to decide if the rope is cut, sword or lucky dip. Or if you want accessories, you can opt to bike off, be pushed in a chair backwards, or many more.
The staff are lots of fun and keep you laughing through the nerves. It's incredible fun if you can pluck up the courage.
We think that it's the best activity in Queenstown.
And finally we have Fergburger.
We couldn't do a Queenstown vlog without mentioning Fergburger. This is one of the most popular eateries we have ever seen.
Everyone told us to visit before we went and we're glad that we did. Whilst we've been told people have queued for 5 hours to experience the food, we only waited 20 minutes.
Operating since 2001, it's the favourite to locals and visitors alike. You can view the menu whilst you wait in the queue, but you're all ready when you get to the front.
The business is also now a bakery and bar, so whatever you're in the mood for, you're sure to find. It's not just a place to eat, it's now one of Queenstown's top attractions.
If you go around 3 PM, the queues will be quieter. If you go in the evenings, then be prepared to wait a while longer.
So that's our top 5 recommendations for Queenstown, New Zealand. We absolutely love visiting this ski resort style town and definitely will be back in future.
It's possibly our favourite trip we've done in New Zealand, and it's not hard to see why. There's such a variety of activities for all ages and abilities, as well as stunning scenery.
Let us know some of your favourite activities in Queenstown in the comments, or some that you're desperate to try.
That's all from us. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you very soon for the next one.